Hi friends, did you know DevOps is evolving faster than ever? By 25, the tools and strategies we use today might be that is the basics. If you want to stay ahead in this dynamic field, you need to be master not just the fundamentals, but also the game-changing tools that will define the future of your DevOps. Okay? But why I'm telling this one is like DevOps is not about just automations. It's about making smart decisions, leveraging AI and improving collaboration and creating systems that adapt and learn. So sounds exciting, right? So stay with me because over the next 10 minutes I'll show you what are the must learn tools of 25 that will make you DevOps powerhouse. Okay? Let's start. First, let's revisit the fundamentals. Okay, the tools are evolving with the new capabilities that you simply can't ignore. That means first one is Kubernetes. Okay, so when you start Kubernetes, yes, you know, right, Kubernetes is not going anywhere. Learn advance the cluster management, custom operations and GitOps operations integrations. Okay, this is the hard trend right now. If you heard about this, like Kubernetes AI powered automation, okay, tools like Kubeflow and ML machine learning workflows are really must in 25. Okay, and as you know, Terraform is an infrastructure as a code we are hearing till now, but it is going to be a game changer in the 25 for the functionalities like drift detection and self heal management. Okay, so those are the real mainstreams for the Terraform by 25. The third one is like GitOps. You might heard about this one very frequently nowadays, because GitOps is a shaping up you to do the fact the way you handle the CI/CD tools like Argo CD and Flux CD are becoming smarter in future. Okay, that's going to be like a proactive rollbacks and advanced monitoring too. So these three are really important in 25 for in the DevOps world. And also I'm going to touch upon the AI also, how it is going to how it is going to impact DevOps in 25. So now here it is the exciting part I want to tell you. So the AI and ML are entering DevOps workflows in a big way. Okay, so let's talk about these tools that makes you DevOps matters. So the first one is AIOps tools. Have you heard about it? When you heard about GitOps and all, you might heard recently with the AIOps also. So what is AIOps? That is an artificial intelligence for the IT operations team. So there are some tools like Dynatrace, Datadog, and New Relic. So these are all mostly evolved in the AI for finding the issue detection and also the performance optimization. Okay, so you don't just automate, you adapt it in real time. So that is what I just want to tell you in 25. So it's not like you have to make you learn everything to do it in your environment, but knowing the concept is really helpful. Okay, and also the Jenkins is going with an AI plugins also in 25. Okay, that is I want to simplify that one. Is like, imagine Jenkins suggesting optimal build pipelines based on the past data. Sounds interesting, right? So that's the future of CI/CD automation. Okay, and finally the GitHub Copilot. You heard right, GitHub Copilot for DevOps. So already developers are really using it. Most of the companies were already starting using GitHub Copilot. Okay, and mostly it's going to write Kubernetes manifest and Helm charts and also Terraform scripts too. Okay, that will be the future in 25. And finally the observability and security. Okay, I'm going to cover on that one. When I heard about observability, so you know, like the tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, that is going to be king on the monitoring, and now with an enhanced and predictive analysis. So that's going to be from the monitoring perspective, no doubt at all, Prometheus and Grafana will rule the DevOps world. And also OpenTelemetry is there, that is just for standardizing the observability, the logs, tracing all the applications. There is a security perspective also. There are so many tools were coming into place in security side nowadays, because all companies were just focusing on the vulnerability tracking, issue tracking. So these things are coming into place. So 25, yes, the security perspective also, organizations will to think about it, and they will have some tools like Aqua Security and Sync. So these will get integrated into your CI/CD pipelines. And finally, the collaborations also very important. The collaborations in the sense, let's not forget why. because that is the heart of the DevOps, because the tools like make your team more efficient than ever. Because the tools like the Slack, you heard about Slack, and there are some teams integration channels. So these and all, like when you have the deployment, if the deployment got failed or if you want to do a rollback, the notifications will go quicker and the team will react prospectively. And also there are so many confluence pages there, and chaos engineering is going to play a very crucial role in 25, because all organizations were trying to make this chaos engineering. So if you want to know about chaos engineering, I have a video recorded in this one for chaos engineering alone. Just go through it. And these are the tools going to play a vital role in DevOps for 25. Okay, and also in this 25, it's going to be a very thrilling year for the DevOps professionals, mark my words. Okay, master these tools, stay curious and keep experimenting and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving landscape. Okay, and if you are excited to learn more, make sure to like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel to get this type of contents. Okay, and that really helps me to boost up my encouragement on doing this type of videos. Okay, and what tools will excite you also when I'm telling these things, and also what tools will excite you, like you want to learn on that particular tool, please share your comment below. Okay, let's make 2025 the year of us smart DevOps. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.